Hello friends, and welcome to Leo English Hub lecture number 27. And today we are going to go through a topic based on simple past tense that we learned in our earlier lecture. But before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel, and those who are new to our channel, I would again request them to start learning from the very first lecture so that they can learn step by step and effectively, and they don't miss any information in between. So let's come back to our topic today. In today's lecture, don't skip the lecture today, because we are going to get good information about how to practice simple past tense. And to practice simple past tense, I'm going to give you a task, and for that task, the task is, what did I do yesterday? I mean, typical yesterday, we talk about our friends naturally when we meet each other, or at workplace also, in college or school also. We ask each other that what did you do yesterday, what happened yesterday, and we talk a lot about it. So in such topics, how to create those kinds of topics, and those who are preparing primarily, they can have some points. So I'm going to give you some clues, some points through which you can expand your answer. You can add some more activities and actions according to your routine and your personal situations. So here we have the first set of points and clues on your screen at the moment. What you need to do is that you can write down those points and expand those points into sentences, and write a whole passage of the things that you did yesterday, or whatever you did yesterday. So here we have more words like yesterday, got up late or something, because of something you did have to do something, it was a holiday or day off at work, quickly you did something, or lazy, you did something lately, you got ready or did not go anywhere. You can do you can write anything you want according to your situation, but it should be natural. You don't need to seek help from others or any technology help like Google Translate or anything. So no press a pause button, guys, and you can write down these set of words or points or clues that you can use for making sentences of our today's topic. And all the sentences, majority of the sentences would be in simple past tense, and you will have a chance to practice simple past tense using the small grammatical things of after, while, double verb, in, right? So you can have variety of verbs as well. You can begin the sentence as we usually do, that I ask my students to do, to write sentences or speak sentences in such a way that they are not uniform in nature. They don't start with similar kind of subjects, I, or we. It should not be like that. So here we have, I'm going to give you some other clues, some other points to expand your answers. So yes, they are on your screen at the moment, so you need to write them down. Those who are new to our channel, I would like to request them again that please subscribe our channel and extend your support to us, so that we can help more and more people to learn good communication and English grammar skills, and also how to learn effectively. I keep telling you guys again and again that go to the playlist section of our channel and start learning from the very first lecture, so that you can learn step by step. And on top of that, you need to learn the whole that particular lecture for the whole day. Revise and re-revise the things, follow the instruction in that particular lecture, and take the second lecture only the next day or the day after, right? So that you can not just only learn, but you grasp so many things. You build up your knowledge of grammar as well as vocabulary also. And I give you this kind of task to write on your own using your own thoughts. The motive behind doing this exercise is to boost your thought process, your thinking power, because that is going to help you in communicating better and in natural way, guys. So I hope these clues and points will be really useful for you to expand your answers, to make more and more sentences out of your own thoughts and ideas and experiences. So thank you very much, guys, for extending your support. Thank you very much for joining us today.